Hello everyone, happy Saturday. Welcome to my channel, and I am going to share with you how I clean my rural bathroom. Do we say a bathroom? But we call it a level. We call it latrine. Yes, I was forgetting the word. We call it a latrine. So right now here I am showing you how my backyard is looking like. You know, every weekend, if you watch my laundry videos, each and every weekend I would hang my clothes there, you will see the ground will be all green, and I really don't like that. I want a clean ground. So I hired some people to come and dig it up because it rained and the soil was so soft. It was easy for them to dig up from the roots, and this is the heap of the soil that was going on. They took 2 days, yeah, to finish all those to finish the digging up behind my house. So even now today, as I'm recording this, the heap of the grasses are still there. I think I'm gonna just remove them. So it was Saturday, super windy. I had to clean the toilet. I had to clean those loo because, guys, it was dirty. There was spider webs. So normally I will just sweep and sweep and sweep during the week, and then on a Saturday or Sunday, whichever day I feel energetic, I will clean my toilet thoroughly. So today I had no choice. As you can see, the wind was just blowing my door, and I was scared that, hey, I will lose my door. This is a steel door that comes with a frame already attached together. So if it breaks, I don't know if they are selling a steel door separate from the frame, but I don't want a wooden door. Wooden door gets old very quickly. It worns out very quickly due to rain, wind, and the sun. It means I have to maintain it by vanishing it now and then. And I mean, guys, this is a toilet. It's the thing that we don't even take care of it now and then. If you come from the rural area, you will know we don't just take care of those things. We take care of things in their houses. So the wind was too much, yeah, guys. And in my channel, I have shared this once. This is the second time sharing it, and I hope you got motivated, and you guys from the suburbs, or you guys who are not knowing what in the rural areas are doing. We do toilet, a pit toilet, and sometimes we put in some chemicals to reduce the smell and to suck up the materials inside so that it can last longer, because the more you use it, the more it piles up and the pit gets full. So in my water, when I clean it, when I mop it, it's not mopping. I am going to be using, I poured in some bleach, I pour in some handy, like I pour everything that I can pour in the water. I just pour in. I even put in some J's fluid. I trust J's fluid to go in the toilet. Even the vinegar was there. And I've read somewhere that the vinegar, if you pour in vinegar and a mixture of vinegar and bicarbonate of soda in a house toilet, the toilet that is in the house, no. Toilet that is using septic tank, you know, in the rural areas we do septic tanks. So toilet that is using septic tank, you flush in a solution of bicarbonate of soda with the vinegar to reduce the smell in the septic tank. So that's what I'm doing. It's not a septic tank, but it's a pit. Septic tank is a pit also. So that's what I'm doing to reduce the smell. I was just frustrated. I didn't know how to take care of this door so that it cannot move up and down, I mean back and forth. It was also bending, and I don't want really to damage it, but I finally got what I wanted, cleaning the toilet. And I was using an old broom. This is an old broom, the broom that I got the first time, so I'm no longer using it. That's why I'm using it to to scrub whatever I had to scrub there. So this is assigned. This is assigned to do the toilet these days. So guys, I hope you share how to those who are living in the rural areas without toilet in the house. I hope you share the experience of cleaning your loo. How do you do it? Especially controlling the smell. This toilet can smell, guys. The toilet can smell. So how do you control your smell in the toilet? Please share, comment down below. And if you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. I do cleaning motivation videos. I do laundry videos, grocery hauls, and please don't be wary to subscribe to my channel, because I'm sure you are not going to regret it. This is homemaking channels. We do everything homemaking. We clean the yard, we clean houses, everything that you can clean. I also do show off my flower gardening. They are coming okay. My garden is coming okay. And before this moment, guys, my camera had fell down and I hadn't noticed that it had fell down for 2 minutes without me noticing. But it was okay. It was not a lot of time that I have lost some footage. So this seat is not attached, the cover is not attached to the seat there, because the first one broke. We had to take it out and buy a new one. So that's why it is not attached, and this is how I wash it. From here I will be rinsing the whole toilet by just showering it with water and leave it to dry. Normally I just leave it open, the toilet will be open, and air dry it. But because it was so super windy, I had to just close it, and it will just dry as it dries whenever it wants to dry. Yeah, so do enjoy this video, share your experiences on the toilets, guys. I don't like a dirty toilet. A dirty toilet makes a black heart, guys. I don't like a dirty toilet. Even after washing your hands, you just have that memory of a dirty toilet. You need to relax in a toilet, guys. You need to, when I go to the toilet, is either I take my phone. I would rather forget a toilet paper than to forget my phone, because that's where I am relaxing. I'm going there to read some news, check my emails and all that. So yeah, I need to be in a clean space, guys. I hope you are getting motivated. Please go clean your toilet and share it. And yeah, guys, from here I'll be playing some music, and do enjoy.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, started to fall. And where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin.